Thanks to VeriSens vision sensors, vision-guided robotics for reliable and quick pick-and-place of unsorted objects has become easier than ever before. We show you how, making all manual hand-eye calibration superfluous. The robot in our example carries VeriSens and is already in position for image acquisition. Vision sensor, PC, and robot are interconnected. VeriSens is configured via Application Suite. VeriSens corrects image distortion in real time. For doing so, the vision sensor focuses on the intelligent calibration target Smart Grid. Just one click will teach and activate distortion correction, which allows for precise tracking of object positions. Unlike two-dimensional vision sensors, robots operate three-dimensional. VeriSens is capable of scaling the X and Y coordinates to align with the selected Z coordinate. A simple 3D rotation of Smart Grid is sufficient for teaching VeriSens its 3D position, which is basic for coordinate transformation. When completing the setup, the VeriSens communication is adapted to match that of the universal robot. Next is setup of the image processing job to enable object tracking in the vision sensor for coordinate transfer to the universal robot. First step, enter height Z in coordinates. Next, select the appropriate feature check. In the example, it's Find Object Positions for contour-based identification of several objects in parallel. A small logo indicates coordinate transmission directly to the robot. These coordinates being the only data transferred eliminates the need for interference configuration. In the final step, VeriSens is activated along with saving the job. VeriSens UR cap has already been installed via USB stick in the robot controller. Step 1 explains how. Second step is selecting and connecting the configured vision sensor and also saving the current robot position. Step 3 is only required for image-based coordinate approach, as in the example. If all settings are correct, the LEDs light up. More settings are application-specific. The last button is for call up the coordinate alignment. Smart Grid requires only few linear and rotational movements to ensure a good calibration quality without the usual hassle of multiple, error-prone, and manual calibration by probe tip. Now it comes to robot programming to ensure reliable pick and place of objects. New command VeriSens job execution is for image acquisition and retrieving results. VeriSens waypoint and move is for coordinate approach via image-based waypoint. Offset values enable deviations from the coordinates delivered by VeriSens, for example, to approach another height. A template is available for complex tasks. For the test run, a new object is positioned in the image area, which is being picked by the robot as expected. Only a few minutes, and VeriSens has given vision capabilities to the robot. This opens up almost unlimited opportunities, including integrated quality control and part identification. Vision-guided robotics. Thanks to Balmer, easier than ever before.